If you want to add another layer of protection on Bluesky Social, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead and open up your Bluesky. Alright, I'm gonna wait for a few moments right here. And then basically what you're gonna do, click the three bars at the top left, and you're gonna see in the left hand tool, go ahead and click the last option, settings, and then you're gonna see privacy and security. Go ahead to the two-factor authentication and click enable next to it. Right, and here by enabling it, you're gonna be able to receive code to your email to verify that this is your account whenever you log in, or to do private things like maybe changing your password or something like that. So go ahead and click enable right here. All right, and as you can see, voila, you don't need to do anything. You don't need to do an extra step. You already enabled the two-factor authentication. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.